Hello there, hope you're having a lovely weekend so far. Weather-wise, things have been a little bit mixed, a lot of cloud around for much of today and a few showers as well. And we continue with that rather messy mix as we head through the next few days. There will be some nice brighter sunny spells, but further rain or showers in the mix from time to time. Having said that, where we do see the sunshine, actually feeling pretty warm. So this is how things will shape up through the rest of this weekend. High pressure very much down towards the southwest, so it's generally low pressure that will win out, and that means we'll see a few more showers coming our way as we head through tomorrow. But for now, things look pretty quiet. A lot of dry weather carrying us through this evening, clear spells for a time as well. And it won't be until later in the night where we'll start to see a little more cloud and some further showery outbreaks just drifting into the far west there. Temperature-wise, pretty mild night on the cards, double figures all round, and some of us actually staying in the low teens. Tomorrow morning then, well, already that cloud thickening from the west, and that will work its way steadily eastwards through the first half of the day, introducing further showers to many parts, and I think little change in that setup really as we head into the afternoon. With that in mind and a bit less sunshine around than we've had today, temperatures will be just ever so slightly lower, so probably peaking around 19 or 20 Celsius for most of us. The breeze just a touch stronger as well. Now, as we head into Monday, it looks as though high pressure will start to exert a bit more influence, but it will be only for a brief period, because come Tuesday, it looks as though we'll see a weather front drifting its way eastwards across the UK. That in turn bringing a bit more cloud and perhaps some outbreaks of rain. Confirmation of that on our outlook chart. Either side, a mixture of sunshine and a few showers, and warm in the best of that sun. Good evening, hope you're having a lovely weekend so far. Weather-wise, it's been a bit disappointing for many of us today. Quite a lot of cloud on the scene, some showery outbreaks as well. And we continue with that rather messy mix through the next few days. Yes, some bright or sunny spells and feeling warm in that sunshine, but still some rain or showers very much in the mix. So through the rest of this weekend, high pressure very much down towards the southwest, which means we're still at risk of seeing some further showers as we head through Sunday. But for now, things are looking reasonably quiet. The earlier showers have now just about moved away eastwards, leaving us with largely dry and clear conditions through this evening and much of the night. But even with the clear skies, I think temperatures holding up pretty well. It will be fairly mild, probably in the low to mid-teens for many parts. So we start tomorrow on a fairly mild note, some early brightness around as well, but make the most of the early sunshine, because as the day wears on, it looks as though we'll pull in more in the way of cloud from the west and further showers as well. Now I think the showers won't be quite as intense as some of the ones we've seen today, but with a bit less sunshine on the cards and a little bit more of a breeze, it will tend to feel a little bit fresher. So highs tomorrow, probably 20-21 degrees at best. Now Monday looks a little bit quieter as high pressure tries to make its presence felt, but that will be fairly brief. Come Tuesday, another weak front comes our way, and it looks as though that will provide the focus for a bit more cloud and some further outbreaks of showery rain. So we can see that on our outlook chart. Either side of Tuesday, a mixture of sunshine and a scattering of showers, but winds remaining fairly light throughout, and in the best of that sunshine, still feeling pretty warm. If anything, temperatures tending to rise by day as the week wears on. Your pollen's next. Hello there, it's been a bit of a mixed bag out there today. Early sunny spells giving way to more in the way of cloud and a scattering of showers, and we keep that rather mixed picture as we head through the next few days. So still some lovely bright or sunny spells in the mix, and in the best of the sunshine, feeling fairly warm, but we will continue with a risk of showers or even some outbreaks of rain at times. So this is how things are going to evolve through the rest of the weekend. High pressure way down towards the southwest there, and that means we'll still be in line for some showery outbreaks as we make our way through Sunday. But for now, at least, things looking pretty quiet. Still one or two showers on the scene for a time, but these gradually clearing away eastwards, and for much of the night it will be dry with some clear spells developing. Even with the clear spells though, a pretty mild picture, not quite as sticky as recent nights, but temperatures certainly holding up well, probably hovering at around 14 to 16 Celsius for many of us. So tomorrow morning, a pretty mild start to things, a fairly bright start as well. Make the most of the early sunshine though. Much like today, as the hours tick by, we'll see a bit more cloud filtering in from the west, and that in turn will produce a scattering of showers. Nevertheless, as I said, still some sunny spells around, and in the best of the sunshine, temperatures a little similar to today, probably peaking at around 23 or 24 degrees. Now on Monday, it looks as though that high pressure will start to exert its influence from the southwest. But make the most of that, because come Tuesday it looks as though we'll have another weak front moving through the flow, and that in turn will bring a bit more cloud and perhaps provide the focus for some further showery outbreaks of rain. Either side of Tuesday though, yes, that mixture of sunshine and showers, but in the best of the sunshine, feeling pretty warm, in fact getting warmer as the week wears on. Well, pollen season is now slowly drawing to a close. Levels generally low, rising to moderate in any drier, brighter weather, and a mix at the moment of grassweed and nettle pollen. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.